Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings immediately. This saves time. Press Ctrl plus comma or Command plus on Mac and switch to the gear icon to choose User or Workspace scope. Once done, search for Font in the Settings search bar to surface font-related keys. Make sure to keep a small editor tab open so you can preview changes. Now click the gear next to an editable result and choose Edit in Settings. JSON, to prepare for the precise font and size, overrides you'll add next. Now edit settings. JSON directly to apply exact values. This gives precision. Add editor. Font family with a prioritized, comma-separated stack like VSCode, Consolas, Courier New, and Set Editor. Font size to a numeric value such as 14. If you want boldness, include editor. Font weight as a string or number. For ligatures, enable editor. Font ligatures, true, also set terminal. Integrated. Font family so your terminal matches. Save the file, and VSCode applies changes instantly. Finish by testing across file types and UI sizes to confirm consistent appearance. If fonts don't change, restart VSCode and check that the font is installed system-wide and spelled exactly in settings. JSON. When problems persist, open Help Toggle Developer Tools and inspect the console for font fallback or load errors. This reveals missing files or permission issues. If you hit a snag, revert to a known good font stack. Then reintroduce custom fonts one at a time to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.